Yo guys, in the video I'll show you how to change aspect ratio in DaVinci Resolve. Navigate to the media pool. If you don't see media pool, click on icon to reveal it. Identify your timeline. It will have a special icon. Right click on the timeline and navigate to timelines and select timeline settings. Uncheck use project settings. Adjust timeline resolution as needed. For example, for 1:1 aspect ratio, set both width and height to 180. Now click OK to apply changes. To feed your existing video into new aspect ratio, click on video clip and adjust zoom to fit within the new dimension. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video.